Kettle's on, mother. Lovely cup of tea on ready to come. I don't know. Never got out. Lovely. Look at today. Look at the weather. Yeah, another great big truck there last night. Turned up at 11 o'clock last night. I'm banging about till gone 12. So I didn't get to sleep till late last night, and then we're all up about 7 o'clock this morning. So I've woken up with a bit of a headache, so that's why I haven't really got the camera turned towards me, because I look a bit worse for wear at the minute. But no, it looks a lovely day today. I've just took some tablets, so that should hopefully help. Tea. Lovely cup of tea, I think that's what I need. Lovely. Can I have a quick hello?
Hello.
The kids are somewhere in there.
Andrew's on Harvey.
I can't see them. So I'll catch you in a bit. Ta-da. Good morning everyone. How you all doing? We're ready to set off now. Oh yeah. You say hello, look.
Hello.
Kids are in here. Right.
Hi.
I got my sunglasses on.
So yeah, I'm not going anywhere. We're just going to nip into the Asda, and just found out there's a park nearby. So we're going to go to the park first. Spend a little bit of time there. Have we got drinks?
No.
We're going to need drinks, haven't we, in case we want a drink?
You might have to grab some out of the fridge, but kids are not. You'll have to grab them a bottle each of ours, and we'll just have to buy some more because they're going to be cold.
Because otherwise they've got no drink. So we're going to shoot to the park first, go to the Asda, and then come back. Because I'm not doing that today because we have booked somewhere for tomorrow. I've done that last night. So yeah, so we'll catch you when we're at the park. See you soon, everyone. Here we are.
Nearly fell off the bench.
It's just that it went flying on the bench. Don't she look pretty today with a dress on, look?
Got new sandals on, first time wearing them.
Big field here. Got a smaller area over there, look. Have I blurred out again? Yeah, blurred out again. There we go. And you got a big area there with a zip line as well. It's a nice little area. It's just down the road from Willow Fields actually, which is handy, isn't it?
Yeah.
Didn't know this was here till Gabby mentioned it. So it's lucky. Keeps the kids entertained. No.
Spin you, Harvey. I'll spin you, yeah? You ready? You gonna be sick? No. I'm holding on. Everything's getting busy now. I'm getting. Oh, this is rock climbing.
not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
Hello. Not that bit, no. Stay there. Stay there.
I ain't going back, I'm not falling. I'll push all my chips and call all in.
Yeah.
On myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going live. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
You having fun?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Can't wait for the ride.
You can tell the park's old though. You can see it's rotting away a little bit, but still something for the kids to do. You having fun, Andrew?
Yeah.
You're concentrating.
I don't know.
No. So you got obviously a spinny thing there that our kid they both like. Swings are there, zip line. Tina's just over there, and then you got the little kids one there, which I'll take you over to in a minute.
I got up the steps. Up the stairs. It's so tiny. Are you on the tiny one?
Andrew's basically the same length as it.
Where am I?
Near enough, yeah.
I'll be from up the stairs for me. No, it's stay here.
No, if you lay flat, yeah, you can literally one end to the other, look.
I can fit.
Yeah, you two have got to go walk all this now.
Harvey, follow me. I'm going this way. I'll follow you.
Hold on.
Whoa. And you stay behind me. There we go. Go up here. I'm going to go downstairs. Yeah. Downstairs. Oh, that way, isn't it? What? Instead of climbing all of them. And then we got this.
Oh God, you touch the floor with that. It's hitting the floor.
I'll be you to try.
I've got a spider on me.
Make sure you look full. Put your feet on. And then do it. I'm not touching the floor. No, watch me. Watch
Flies.
me. Watch. When I do it.